Hey there, today I'll show you how to create your own Kahoot quiz game for free. Whether you're a teacher, student, or just love interactive learning, this guide will make it easy, so let's dive in. First, go to kahoot.com and log in. This will take you to your dashboard where you can create and manage your quizzes. Here you will see the create a new Kahoot. Click this. And you can just close this one to start a quiz from scratch. And you may now enter your first question. You may also add the multiple choices here below. And also don't forget to choose the right answer. On your right side, you will see here time limit, so you can choose or adjust the time. You can also choose on the next game if you want to make it a true or false. And you can also add image here. You can upload your own image. And that's it. You've just made a Kahoot quiz for free. And if this helped, like, share, and subscribe for more. And if you have questions, drop a comment. Keep learning and see you next time.